Hi everyone, welcome back to Autopedia. Today we're excited to bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Huawei S9, a futuristic and innovative electric vehicle that's packed with cutting-edge features and capabilities. Let's dive in. Exterior design and color options. The 2025 Huawei S9 boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a new front grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted body. The exterior color palette includes options like Galaxy White, Aurora Blue, and Cosmic Black, as well as custom color options. Interior features. Inside, the 2025 Huawei S9 features a premium cabin, with seating for up to 5 passengers, optional heated and ventilated seats, and a high-resolution infotainment display. Technology options include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system. Performance specifications. The 2025 Huawei S9 is powered by a range of electric motor options, including a single motor and dual motor setup, producing up to 750 horsepower and 750 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. The transmission is a single-speed automatic with all-wheel drive and a top speed of up to 155 mph. Safety features. The 2025 Huawei S9 features advanced safety features, including Huawei's advanced driver assistance system, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, as well as a collision avoidance system. Comfort and convenience features. The 2025 Huawei S9 offers comfort and convenience features like dual-zone climate control, a premium sound system, and driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane centering. Dimensions, cargo capacity, and towing capability. The 2025 Huawei S9 measures 187 inches in length, 75 inches in width, and 56 inches in height. Cargo capacity is up to 20 cubic feet, with no towing capacity. Fuel efficiency and range estimates. The 2025 Huawei S9 boasts an estimated EPA rating of up to 300 miles on a single charge, with an estimated range of up to 400 miles. Trim levels and pricing information. The 2025 Huawei S9 is available in 3 trim levels. Standard starting price of around $50,000. Premium starting price of around $60,000. Limited edition starting price of around $70,000. Conclusion. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Huawei S9. This futuristic and innovative electric vehicle is truly a marvel of innovation and performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.